Good morning, children. Today we are going to look at your textbook, page 70, and we are going to do some writing activities. Please take out your textbook. Today I'm going to introduce three characters as what you can see in your textbook. The first character is Putri Gunung Ledang. So this is Putri Gunung Ledang. There are a lot of adjectives given in your textbook. We have attractive, soft, slender, large brown, smooth, oval, and long black. First of all, attractive means 有吸引力 soft 柔软 slender 纤瘦 large brown, I don't think you need any description for this. Smooth means 光滑 oval is a shape 椭圆形 and long black, you don't need any description for this. Now, look at here. You are writing about some interesting characters found in Malaysian myths and legends. Use the words given to complete the description of Putri Gunung Ledang. The same adjectives are given here. Now, let's look at the passage together. Putri Gunung Ledang was a beautiful princess. She had an face. Look at her face. What is the shape of her face? She had an oval face and large brown eyes. Her skin was. How was her skin? She was a princess, so she must have soft and smooth skin. Her skin was soft and smooth. She had hair. How is her hair? She had long black hair. She had a body. How is her body? She had a slender body and long legs. She was a very good, attractive person. Now, let's read this together. Putri Gunung Ledang was a beautiful princess. She had an oval face and large brown eyes. Her skin was soft and smooth. She had long black hair. She had a slender body and long legs. She was a very attractive person. Very good. You have just done the first character. Let's move on to the second character, who is Nenek Kebayan. These are the adjectives given in your textbook. We have broad, large, horrible looking, hunched, wrinkled, long, small and black, ugly old, and short and thin. So we don't think that we need to describe each and every adjective. Just look at a few. Broad means 宽广. Large, you know what is large? Horrible looking means 恐怖的. Hunch, 驼背. We always say she has a hunched back. 她是驼背的. Wrinkled. Wrinkled means 皱纹. I think you know what is long, you know what is small and black. ugly, old, and short and thin. Alright, let's look at the passage. Please take your time to look at the passage. And we are going to choose the correct answers for every blanks. Let's start. Nanette Kabayan was an woman. What kind of woman is she? She is an ugly old woman. She had a face. Look at her face. What is the shape of her face? She had a long face and a forehead. Forehead. 额头. Look at her forehead. Which will you choose? Very good. She had a wrinkled forehead. Her eyes were... How would you describe her eyes? Small and black. Her eyes were small and black. She had a what nose? She had a broad nose. And how is the ear? And large ears. Very good. Her body was, look at her body. Very good. Her body was hunched and her legs were short and thin. The last blank here, she was a very horrible looking person. Alright, let's read this together. Nanette Kabayan was an ugly old woman. She had a long face and a wrinkled forehead. Her eyes were small and black. She had a broad nose and large ears. Her body was hunched and her legs were short and thin. She was a very horrible looking person. Now, we are going to move on to the last character, which is Monsopiat. You might not know him, but he was a hero from Sabah. Alright, these are the adjectives given in your textbook. We have handsome, square, large brown, long wavy, broad shoulders, muscular body, most courageous, and village. Handsome, you know what is handsome? 很帅. Square, 方形,正方形. Large brown, you know what is this? Long wavy. Wavy means 卷. Long wavy means 长卷. And always we use this for hair. 我们常常把长卷用在头发上. Broad shoulders. Broad, we have learned just now. 宽广. 宽广的肩膀. Broad shoulders. Muscular body. Muscular means muscles. 有肌肉. Most courageous. Courageous means you are brave. So, most courageous means 最有勇气. And of course, you know what is a village, 村庄. Look at this. You are given the notes and a picture, and you will need to write a description on Monsobiat. But don't worry, I'm not going to leave you this way. I have prepared another notes for you. Monsobiat was a man. He had a face and an eyes. He had hair. He had an he was the man in his. This is very easy because you just need to replace all these notes into this passage. Now, this is your real exercise for today. What do you need to do? I have posted your exercise in Padlet. Please click on the link given. Now, refer to your textbook, page 70, and choose your favorite character. Choose only one character. Then, type the descriptions of the character. An example is given. This is the example that I have given to you. Wang Pei means favorite character, and I choose Monsopiat. So I wrote about him. Monsopiat was a handsome man. He had a square face and large brown eyes. He had long wavy hair. He had broad shoulders and a muscular body. He was the most courageous man in his village. Remember, choose one of the characters and type your answers here. When you click on to the link, you can access to Padlet. Just click on the click button and type your answers there. That's all for today. Thank you and bye.